Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 7th chapter, Understanding Fraction, is going on. Children, in that we have completed exercise 7a to 7e. Yesterday we have started exercise 7f and we have completed 3 questions of question number 1 in exercise 7f. Today, children, we will continue with exercise 7f only with question number 1, which is arrange the following fractions in ascending order. This is the question. Children, as I have told you yesterday that how we are arranging like fraction and how we are arranging unlike fraction. Children, what are like fraction? Like fraction with the same denominators, they are like fractions, and unlike fractions are the fraction with the different denominators. Here in exercise 7f it is given we have to arrange like fraction in ascending order and unlike fraction in ascending order. Now in this what we are doing, we are seeing when the denominators are same, when the fractions are given in like fraction, so we are arranging them according to the normal numbers, as we are arranging the number, the fraction with the bigger numerator, they are bigger, or smaller numerator, they are smaller. But in the case of unlike fractions, here all the numerators are common, or we can say they are same, and the denominators are different. So the number with the greatest denominator is having the smaller value, and the denominator with the smallest one, they are having the greater value. So this is how we are arranging. Clear? Now we have done question number A, B, C, or we can say question number 1, 2 and 3 of question number 1. Now we will continue with question number D or 4. Children, your homework, yesterday homework was you have to practice the same question what we have done in classwork. So I think you all have done it and you all have practiced it. If children you are having any problem regarding this type of questions or regarding this exercise, you can ask me. Then now we are going to start with question number D or 4 of exercise 7f. So children, be ready with your copy and book and let's start doing the question. Now children, we will continue with exercise 7f, question number 1. Write the given fractions in ascending order. Now we will continue with question number D. So you can see 1 upon 10, 1 upon 15, 1 upon 14 and 1 upon 11 is unlike fraction. They are unlike fraction. So here we have to arrange it. So in unlike fraction where the numerators are common, here you will see the greatest denominator is having the smallest value. So 1 upon 15 is the greatest one. So 1 upon 15 we will write here, this is the smallest one. After that 1 upon 14, 1 upon 11, 1 upon 10. Clear? Now question number E. Question number E is 2 upon 5, 2 upon 9, 2 upon 7, 2 upon 3. Here same, it is, this question is same as question number D. So which one is the greatest one? 2 upon 9 is the greatest one. So we will write 2 upon 9 at first. 2 upon 9, after that 2 upon 7, after that 2 upon 5, and the last is 2 upon 3 is the greatest one. Question number F, 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. So children, you can see these are like fraction. So simply we will take the smallest number at first. So 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. So this how we are arranging like and unlike fraction in ascending order. Now you can see question number 2. Write the given fractions in descending order. Now descending means what? From greatest to smallest one. First question you can see 4 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. So in all that these fractions are like first of all. So which one is the greatest? 5 upon 7. So we will write 5 upon 7 at first. After that 4 upon 7. After that 3 upon 7 and the last one is 1 upon 7. So 5 upon 7 is greater than 4 upon 7. 4 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7 is greater than 1 upon 7. Question number B of it 2 upon 2, 2 upon 11, 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 7. So these fractions are unlike and here numerators are common. So what is it? The denominator with the smallest number, it is greater. It is having the greatest value. So 2 upon 2 we will write at first. After that 2 upon 5, 2 upon 7 and 2 upon 11. So 2 upon 2 is greater than 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 11. So this how we are doing the question. We are arranging the like or unlike fractions in descending order. Children, so this how we are doing this type of question. Now your today's homework is that you have done question number D, E and F of first question, A, B of second question. So these 5 questions you will once again practice in your rough copy, children, but don't see your copy, classwork copy you don't see, you do it by yourself as a practice. So this how you will able to know that these questions you can solve it or not. If any problem you are facing while doing these questions, so you can ask me, you mark that question and ask me in WhatsApp group next day. Clear? So today's homework is question number D, E, F of question number 1 and A, B of question number 2 you will do in your rough copy as a practice. And children, keep learning the definitions and tables also. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day.